everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. I am Veena and today I'll be showing you how to make apple kheer using microwave. This is a microwave recipe and very less time consuming. Apple kheer is a dessert recipe made out of milk and apple that you can try out during this Christmas. This is a very less time consuming dish as well. So let's get started. To begin making apple ka kheer, you will need a microwave safe bowl. Into it, we will add 1 cup of freshly grated apple. These are skin peeled apples and then I have grated them. So into the bowl, I'll be adding this freshly grated apples. Into it, add a 2 teaspoons of corn flour. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 cup milk, mix them all together. So that the corn flour and the sugar mixes well with the milk and the apple. After mixing it well and nice, let us pop it into the microwave and microwave it on high power for 6 minutes. After 3 minutes, just stir it once and then again microwave it for another 3 minutes. So it's been now 3 minutes. I will go ahead and stir it once. After stirring it once, let us pop it back into the microwave and microwave it for another 3 minutes. Alright, it's been now 3 minutes and our apple kheer is now ready. Let us take it out of the microwave. Wow, looks wonderful. Oh, it looks great and smells delicious. The delicious aroma of the apple and milk has really spread. Let us go ahead and give some flavoring to it. I will be adding cardamom powder for the flavoring so that it will give a delicious flavor to our apple kheer. Add 1/4 teaspoon of green cardamom powder along with the skin. Smells delicious. It gives a very delicious flavor to the dish. Mix it well. There you go. Our apple kheer is now ready to be served. Let's take it out in a serving bowl. Into a serving bowl. Top it with some almond flakes and some raisins. There you go. Our delicious apple kheer using microwave is now ready to be served. Well friends, that was apple kheer for you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. This is the microwave series that I have created. Please do post in your comments and feedbacks on the comment box below. Also do check out my website www.veenaskitchen.com for more recipes. Thank you so much for watching veenaskitchen.com.